hold on. Hold on. What are you doing filming today? Do you have ID on? Okay.
Let go of me, sir.
So you do talk?
Sir,
Okay,
you are
what's-
breaking the law.
What's going on today?
There is no reason for you to be doing this.
Okay. We need to figure out why you're doing what you're doing.
Okay, what's your RAS for detaining me? This is
Disorderly conduct.
How is this disorderly conduct?
Yeah.
Off of me now.
Stop.
Off.
Stop.
This is an illegal detainment.
Relax.
This is an illegal detainment.
Relax.
Let me go.
Relax.
This is an illegal detainment. Let me go.
Can you tell us
I do
what
not
you're
consent to any searches.
Somebody's saying that you're filming kids out here. So we're wanting to make sure, especially with all the stuff that's going on,
I'm not doing anything illegal. So
we don't
you-
know that. So that's why we're
You do
talking.
not have reasonable or
Can you-
articulable suspicion to
can you-
detain me.
Can you assist us in telling us what you are doing?
I'm going to exercise my First Amendment right and my Fifth Amendment right to not speak or answer any of your questions.
Why are you filming kids?
Yeah. You can't just wander onto school grounds in the middle of the day,
Yeah.
right?
Especially
Last time
filming.
I checked, this is City Hall, a public library.
Okay. You're under arrest for trespassing.
I have to be allowed to leave for trespassing. There is no signage.
Wander onto school property.
Which school did I go on?
You're on school district property.
Since you're in handcuffs, I'll read your rights real quick. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can court of law. You have right to an attorney having present during any and all questioning. You cannot afford an attorney one to be appointed for you. Do you understand your rights?
Maximillionaire here, and this is an update on the arrest of Bunny Boots Inc. from March 1st of this year in Springfield, Oregon. Now, one of the main focuses of this channel, as I've said before, is to bring these kind of updates and let you know what happens after the arrest. So while the civil case is just beginning, the criminal case is now over.
So, another victory for the civil rights side of things on criminal charges. Court case is dismissed. I'll be able to get my equipment hopefully back at the earliest of tomorrow. This makes case number three, where charges have been dismissed or dropped. While this one was a little bit out of the ordinary of how it usually goes, it's another victory in our direction, which is a great thing in that regard. And it's the main emphasis of why I point out that activists need to do all all they can to get the cases dismissed or found not guilty in each criminal case, because it builds up our standing and reputation in that regard. How did the charges get dismissed? Well, what happened is the judge sat down the prosecutor and my defense attorney in a pretrial thing, and they had a discussion about the issue. Pretty much it seemed like the charges were going to get dismissed anyway because of there was no legal ground for the arrest.
Now, in case you missed it or just need a little reminder, I'm going to show you part of the arrest, what happened to him, with a little bit of explanation. Now, on March 1st, 2018, Bunny Boots Inc. was conducting a First Amendment audit and recording in the city of Springfield around the city center buildings, which house City Hall, a library, and the school district offices. At all times, Bunny Boots Inc. was in a public place, on the right-of-ways, the walkways, or the sidewalks. At no time did he ever enter the offices of the school district, and at no time did he ever go past any place that said no trespassing or restricted area.
How you doing, sir? What's going on today? Hold on. Hold on. What are you doing filming today? Are you? Can you not talk? Okay. Yep. You can't talk. Do you have ID on? Okay.
Let go of me, sir.
So you do talk?
Sir,
Okay,
you are
what's-
breaking the law.
What's going on today?
There is no reason for you to be doing this.
Okay. We need to figure out why you're doing what you're doing.
Okay, what's your RAS for detaining me? This is
Disorderly conduct.
How is this disorderly conduct?
Yeah.
Notice how the cop goes directly to their old standby, disorderly conduct. And instead of answering Bunny Bootsink's question as how filming could possibly be disorderly conduct, he simply says, yeah. Like, yeah, it is because I say it is.
Are you local? Or are you from somewhere else? We're trying to figure out who you are and why you're doing what you're
No.
doing.
What are we doing here?
He's just trying to walk away.
Oh. Are you okay, man? Off of me now.
Stop.
Off.
Stop.
This is an illegal detainment.
Relax.
This is an illegal detainment.
Relax.
Let me go.
Relax.
This is an illegal detainment. Let me go.
Can you tell us
I do
what
not
you're
consent to any searches.
Somebody's saying that you're filming kids out here. So we're wanting to make sure, especially with all the stuff that's going on,
I'm not doing anything illegal. So
we don't
you-
know that. So that's why we're
You do
talking
not
about it.
have reasonable or
Can you-
articulable suspicion to
can you-
detain me.
Can you assist us in telling us what you are doing?
I'm going to exercise my First Amendment right and my Fifth Amendment right to not speak or answer any of your questions.
Why are you filming kids?
Now, of course, Bunny Bootsink wasn't filming any kids. As a matter of fact, the high school is 2 blocks away from the school district office. What they're claiming is that there was some student inside of the school district office for some reason, either helping out or answering a question or something like that, and that's the kid that they claim that he was filming. Now, there are no classrooms in the school district office. It's just their district offices for the main support.
Do we got any signers on trespass or?
It's been in City Hall, been up on the catwalk. Just to know what the prior contact was, if he's been trespassed before.
Now they're just fishing for something to get Bunny Bootsink on, and they confirm right here that he has not been trespassed from the property, so, and that there are no signs. So they've got that confirmed at this point.
So I'll tell you, we have a duty to make sure that people in and amongst places where there's public are safe.
That is an absolute lie. The Supreme Court has already ruled that police have no duty to protect you.
And you're behaving in a manner that causes us reasonable suspicion that you're either committing a crime or about to commit a crime.
And what crime is that? That can you
But you know
articulate?
what? I don't feel obligated to answer your questions if you don't feel obligated to answer mine. Okay?
Of course, any question that Bunny Bootsink answers can be used against him in a court of law, while the cops cannot. And he's just saying that because he doesn't have a reasonable suspicion of a crime.
But I'm telling you right now, neither one of us are new at this, and you make us all very nervous. All right? And
Filming is
without
not an
good
illegal
reason.
activity.
You are correct.
So while the cop admits that filming is a perfectly legal activity, he also claims it makes him very nervous.
Okay, but you gotta help me out, man. What are you doing? Why are you being so buggy? Why won't you stop and tell us what you're doing? Normally, it's been my experience that people that are not up to no good are at least willing to say what they're doing. We got all kinds of people calling. You got all kinds of cops tied up right now, and you're making everybody nervous.
In my opinion, Anybody who gets that nervous over somebody simply recording shouldn't have a gun strapped to their hip.
Can you help me out here? Seriously.
This is an illegal detainment. You need to release me. You need to let go of me.
You make me nervous, all right? For our safety right now, I'm going to hold on to you, and I want you to just relax, okay?
I make you nervous when I try to
as-
walk away, correct?
As soon as...
I tried walking away and you guys grabbed me. How does that make you nervous?
Did you hear that?
I couldn't copy all of it.
Re-advise one more time. We were talking.
Yeah. You can't just wander onto school grounds in the middle of the day,
Yeah.
right?
Last time I checked, this is City Hall, a public library.
Okay. You're under arrest for trespassing.
So, after having previously confirmed that he was not trespassed from the property and he was not trespassing, they now decide to charge him with trespassing anyway. And to top things off, when viewers of the live stream called in to seek redress from their government for their grievances, they decided to add another charge onto Bunny, just out of spite.
I have to be allowed to leave for trespassing. There is no signage.
And now they try to make it sound like he walked onto a school campus, when in fact he never entered the school district offices, it was not a campus, and he was always outside on the catwalk.
Make the phone calls. Make the phone calls. Springfield PD, Oregon.
Drop the camera, buddy.
When you're talking to Cindy.
Okay. Great.
Which school did I go on?
You're on school district property. Okay?
There's multiple agencies within this
I'm going to tell you
structure.
something. I'm going to tell you something. Take it for what it is, okay? If you're going to play the super tight line, this is legal, this is not illegal, you don't know what you're doing stuff, you better know what you're doing. Today you don't know what you're doing because you're wandering on school property and you're not allowed to just do that. Okay?
Just listen to that condescending cop-splaining. Well, now that the charges have been dismissed, I guess we know who knew what they were doing and who didn't know what they were doing. Huh, biatch?
Since you're in handcuffs, I'll read your rights real quick. The other right to remain silent. Anything to say kind of in court of law. You have right to an attorney have the present during any and all questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you. Do you understand your rights?
We often get accused of editing videos to slant the perspective in one way and basically tell lies. So I have provided a link in the description if you want to watch the entire 1 hour and 24-minute live stream for yourself. You can go watch it. As for further updates, I'll let you know when Bunny Boots Inc. wins his civil lawsuit.